Hello, this is Jaja from freejoyreviews.com. You could read my blogs from here. This is my YouTube video on Thrive Architect for a tutorial for beginners. I had a hard time getting this for the first time myself, and I felt like I should do a little tutorial. I couldn't find anything to fit my needs. I just wanted to know how to the purpose I wanted to do this is to build a course, but I wanted to understand how to maneuver and go around and use Thrive Architect. So I am going to go over to my WordPress blog dashboard. And these are all of the themes that I have. I went to the Thrive dashboard over here. These are all of the themes that I have installed. Thank God for an amazing price. All of these installed for the very little price of $15. This usually costs $250 at the most. Like or you pay like monthly payments of that, and I got an amazing source. But this is not what this tutorial is about. I will do another video on that. Check out subscribe below for that video. To maneuver, you go to either pages. You go to pages right here. It's moving slower, and you could go to add page right here, or you could go to the plus sign here and go add page here. There are two ways for you to add pages. Pages, add new, or pages, add page. And I am just going to do this that way. Then, then in order to launch the Thrive Architect, you need to start writing something. So for the sake of this tutorial, I am going to write Thrive Architect. How do you spell architect? For tutorial. How do you spell tutorial? Tutorial. Oh shoot. Tutorial. I hope that's how you spell it. For beginners. With two ends. Oh my goodness. Don't judge me too harshly, okay? Let me just put it here. Okay, tutorial. I hope this is how you spell tutorial. Anyway, so after you do this, you press save. This is just test. Don't judge me too harshly. I'm just a human being. And then after that, you press launch Thrive. Now, what I love about Thrive is all the options that you have. Because I am a beginner, and this is from a beginner to a beginner, because only us understand how we were thinking. If you're a beginner, you probably are looking for tutorials and can't find it on YouTube like I have, and so I'm doing this for you. If you get value, please click the like button below. All right, so here, what page would you like to create? What I think you should go for the pre-built landing page. The reason why I'm saying to go to the pre-built landing page is because you can always add, and I mean take away from things. Like if you're gonna have to add, and if you don't know what you're doing yet, it's gonna be more difficult. So since this is a beginner's course, try to get something that is already there. Now, the reason why I wanted to go into Thrive is because I am making my own courses, and I'm going to make a course. So I want something that I can use Okay, this says online course smart. Let's go with this one. Alrighty, so once it comes up, you click this, and then you'll see something that says apply template here. I'm gonna choose the lead generation one. I guess I could use the course launch page, but I could play around with it. Let's just apply the template here. It says applied successfully. Excellent. Let it load. Here we are. It downloaded. It's amazing. What you can do is you could do different colors. You could mess with elements and styles. Okay, so for instance here, I can do like I could write something like, do you want to learn about Thrive Architect? And like you could mess around with it a little bit. You could change the color. You can change the color. Let's say that I want to change it to aqua. I like that color. What if I wanted to change how it looks in the box? What if I wanted a neutral background? Look at all of that. That's cool. Okay. Actually, I am going to go here and go something like, do you want to learn about how to use Thrive? How about that? And look up here, you will see text and stuff. You could change that heading. You could do all kinds of changes. Change it to all the different, headings you want to change it to. You could delete elements as well. Look, you could just click this button right here. Delete elements if you want to. You could do whatever you want. You could play around with it. If you wanted to, you could go over here to this plus area. Let me go up, or let me go down. Like say this about the author. Say if I want my image here, I'll go to this plus thing here. Let's go here. I guess we could delete this too. See this button right here. We delete that. Then we'll go over to images, and we can it'll show you different images that we have here, and I'll just choose one of my prettier face with my eyes. I don't look very good today. I'm wearing sunglasses. And it would upload, and you could bring this up here. Oh, where is it? You can bring it up here, and where this says about the author over here, and then you could make it a bit bigger. You could bring it down a little bit. There you go. Yes, you could mess with the face where you want it, about the author. You could go here. You could what's add a button? Because you could add buttons here. This is awesome. And I guess when you make a button, you could do whatever you want. You could just say, check it out. Check it out now. You could add buttons. See what else you could add. You can add calendars. Ooh, your different choices of calendars. Let's go with the first choice. Awesome. And I guess you could just mess with how many days, if you want to hide the days, the hours, well, the minutes. You could mess around with that. So you could do, but you could basically play around it, see if you had some fun using it. And when you're done, you'll just save your work right here. All changes saved. And okay, so you just basically back over to editor, and we're gonna just publish this into a private account here. And it'll say, do you want it to be private? Yes. And then you could view page of all the things that we've done, of which I misspelt the word here. I have to go back into my editor and do it, but you basically see the images here. So far, this is how you use Thrive Architect. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was quite enlightening for me too. Like, subscribe if you have any questions or comments at all. Please hit the link below. Bye.